Hello guys, this is Brad. Today I'd like to show you how many books I have sold so far. Actually 6,646 books, and it shows that I started selling from March 2022, but actually this is wrong. The first time I sold my book was actually to October 22nd. So for 1 year, 1 month, 13 months, I sold 6,646 books. And the bestseller was there's a book titled Introduction to UnBrokable that was sold for 924 copies, and 15 Ways to Keep Your Teeth Clean that was sold about 360 copies. And I wrote about 38 books, not 53 books. I wrote about 38 books. Thanks.